What's up, guys?
Hello,
What's up?
Welcome back to SHYTalk.
my name is Hamlet.
I'm Sergio, or whatever.
And I'm Napoleon Bonaparte. And today we're going to be talking about an interesting topic. Which historical event are you thankful that happened?
Yes, stay tuned.
Welcome back!
Hello, we're back.
Do you have any historical event that you are thankful that it happened?
I have one.
Yeah.
The event I have is when my brother Jesus was born. They say that our mother didn't have sex with anybody, that she just got pregnant by the Holy Spirit. But she already had me. So then my brother Jesus was born, and he didn't look nothing like my father. We knew what happened.
Sergio, I'm talking about historical events.
Oh, not biblical. Oh, I got the wrong topic. So the historical event I choose is when my boy, what's his name, Christopher Columbus, went.
Discovered.
No, he didn't discover. He found people here.
Okay, yeah. There you go. That's
There were people here.
That's the right way
And
to say
actually,
it.
if you know stories, there was a guy on top that he saw land first, and Christopher decapitated him because he wanted to be the first one to say land.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
That is the right way to describe that historical event.
Check that in the books. So what I appreciate him is going to DR and getting all them Tainos raped and pregnant, because that's where the Dominicans came from.
That's why he looks so white.
Thank you for raping all the brothers. Now you created the Dominicans. We appreciate you. We owe you a lot. Thank you, Christopher. You're the man. Yeah, so that's the one when he went to DR and raped everybody.
Oh my god.
Because without him, there would be no Dominicans. So.
Hey, hold on, because it doesn't get any better. Hamlet, which historical event are you happy that it happened?
Mine is the assassination of Martin Luther King Jr.
I told you. Why?
I'm sorry to all my brothers, all the sisters out there. I love you all. I don't know this.
Stop! So MLK Jr. He became a symbol to the movement, and thanks to him and the things that he did, people actually started
The movement.
Keep going.
the way he expressed himself, and he didn't care about saying his opinion. That just encouraged people to say what they think, and that's why now we have like the Black Lives Matter movement, and recently a lot of things that happened that I think racism has come back a little bit more.
It's always been there.
Yeah, but
Now it's obvious.
Now it's more a little bit obvious, but thanks to his movement, a lot of people actually started supporting that, and it helped the black community or whatever.
And the segregation.
Yeah, it just helped them move forward in a way. That's why we had a black president. Like, if it wasn't because of him, that probably wouldn't have happened. So even though it's sad that he got killed, it actually made him a symbol to the world.
And we probably wouldn't even be here making silly videos for you guys. Like, the second they see a bunch of Dominicans over here, they will try to send them like to some other place and have them away, having their own bathrooms and stuff. And
Sitting at the back of the bus.
Yep. Even though I kind of like the back of the bus. I don't know.
I think we all do.
Yeah, that's the best part of the bus.
How about you, Yordi?
Like I said, this doesn't get any better.
Oh God.
So my
Jesus.
historical event, the historical event that I'm thankful that it happened, is one that it could be very controversial for people watching this. I think nukes are bad.
Oh my God.
Nukes are probably the worst invention that mankind has ever come up with, unless we get a alien invasion and then we start nuking them and that's how we beat them. But nukes are a terrible thing. I have nightmares. I'm telling you, I'm confessing this because I actually haven't told anybody. I have nightmares of being nuked. That is just how bad I'm afraid of those things.
You played too much Fallout.
I play too much Fallout. I play too much Call of Duty and stuff like that. I guess that's why. Despite that, and despite the terrible amount of people that died during this event, I'm actually thankful that the United States dropped the nukes in Japan, in Hiroshima and Nagasaki.
They created anime, Jordy.
I was gonna get there. I'm not thankful that all those people had to die, but the reason why I'm thankful is because if you look at history, and if you look at the way Japan was in those days, they were not going to surrender. They didn't surrender after the first bomb. They dropped a bomb that killed like 300,000 people or 300 million. I don't know how many people, but they killed a ton of people with just a bomb. And this emperor had the balls to say, oh, they probably don't have any more bombs. We're gonna keep going with the war. Are you freaking crazy? Like, the second I see that mushroom cloud, I'll be like, yup, I surrender. You guys take my country if you want.
Unless you're Mario or Luigi.
So, like, the reason I'm thankful is because the dropping of those bombs actually made Emperor Hirohito, may he rot in hell, that bastard. He made him surrender so that now we have the Japan that we have now. Now, you can go all political and whatever, I don't care. But I love Japan. I love everything that has to be with Japan, Japanese culture. I love anime. I would like to go to Japan. It's my dream vacation destination. I love samurais. I love ninjas. You name it. Japanese baseball is nice. Japan has so many cool things. Like, I love Japanese cars. The Nissan Skyline is one of my favorite cars.
That's my favorite car.
Jeez.
Skyline.
Mitsubishi Lancer is one of my favorite cars also. I love everything that has to do with Japan. I love Japanese women. Should I go on? I feel like the dropping of that bomb allowed for like Americans to, not Americans, but like it allowed Japan to socialize more with the world, becomes more friendly with the world, and get rid of that fascism and the Nazism with Hitler and all that. It made them surrender. And now they are friends and one of the coolest countries in the world, if you ask me. Not discriminating anybody, not talking about any other country. But the technology advanced. I mean, Japan was stuck in like, they were using bolt action rifles with bayonets and going into suicide mode whenever they felt out like they were gonna lose. Now they're like one of the most advanced militaries in the world. They have crazy technology. Almost everything comes from Japan. I mean, it was one of the best things that happened to the world, despite all the losses that they had.
Horrible things happen throughout the whole history of the world, but all of those events led us here. And even though that we're not perfect right now,
yeah,
we
probably
came a long way from who we were before.
Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure a lot of more terrible things are gonna happen. Hopefully not. Hopefully not a lot of people have to die for things to get better. But even though we're kind of ending on a sour note, those are just some of the historical events. One honorable mention though, coming back to the nuke thing that I was talking about, there was this Soviet officer, his name was Stanislav Petrov. There was a malfunction in one of the nuclear radars in the Soviet Union, which was telling them that multiple nukes were coming to the Soviet Union. People were freaking out. They were just about to press the button and launch nukes back to the US, but this Petrov guy, he said, no, there might be something with the weather interfering with the satellites. And he figured it out, and because of that reason, we weren't going to nuclear war. And that's another event that I'm glad, because if nuclear war had happened, we would have probably been making this video
with 4 arms.
And with 4 arms and like
one little move can change
like
the entire
radioactive
history.
camera, like in Fallout and something, and you guys will probably be super mutants and like that claws
Why
looking
do
at this
dogs
video.
don't get affected though? Never asked you that.
Yeah. Anyways, what about you guys? What historical events are you happy that it happened, or not happy but glad, at least thankful that even though some people died or something terrible happened, at least we have the world that we have now, and it's better now. Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye guys.